Hi friends, today I'm showing you the Musibaby Bluetooth speaker. This speaker is for outdoor portable waterproof wireless speaker, dual pairing for Bluetooth 5.0, loud stereo, booming bass and 500 minutes playtime for home party. So as you can see all this specification on the box. Let me open this pack. So once you open this pack, and then you will see the package content, and as you see the design itself is like a round. So this is groove for a true 360 degrees surround sound or the sound. So let me open this, and you can see that this box have a little woofer thing on the top, and the base thing, and the bottom, this is for putting in the hand slide thread. And let me open the other side. There is a small package, I think it is with the cables. So let me just open this one. So this have the aux cable and the charging micro USB cable. So this cable can be used to charge this speaker. So you will see like this particular protective thing you can put. So there is a USB, micro SD, aux cable and micro SD card slot. So you can just open this micro USB cable, and I will show you how it gets charged. So you can put this micro USB cable in this socket, just slide in and then put it in the USB. So the good thing is that if you connect two of these speaker, it can be a wireless dual pairing and then connect two speaker together. And one side of it, like the top side, have a woofer, and the side have the speaker, and the other side have like the tweeter. So what happens is that it will give you a surround sound, like a 360 degree sound. And this aux cable can be used to connect this to any device with the aux, like your MP3 player or anything like that. So I'm just putting it for the charging. And for the outdoor use, this speaker have a IPX5 waterproof. So this is a waterproof speaker. So you can see the red light, so it need more charging at this point of time. So I will just connect it for some time till I show you like how this sound goes. I'm just opening it and trying to show you the Bluetooth connection for this speaker. So the manual is here, and the manual have all the details. It is in English, so easy to understand, and it shows like how all these buttons and is for. So it's up and down, volume, power on and off. It's media, like you have to use it USB like a pen drive, or you want to just use it through the Bluetooth. So let me show you the Bluetooth. So I'm just connecting it to my mobile, and you will see the Musibaby that speaker thing in pairing thing. I will just click on it. So yeah, M88, you can see that it is showing up in the Bluetooth thing. When I connect, it get connected instantly. No issue with that, so it shows connected. So my mobile is connected. I will open the YouTube and I will then show you up. So this is the thread that you can put or slide in the top of the speaker and carry with your hand, like a hand strap or something. So I actually found out some copyright free bass boosted music thing on YouTube, so that I can show you how this thing will work. And you can clearly see the vibration on the top of the woofer that is coming up. So I'm increasing the volume to moderate, and you can actually see how the sound is like. So hopefully YouTube do not have any issue when I'm using this track, because this is a copyright free track that's actually mentioned on it. So hopefully this video will not be blocked because of that. This is a typical wireless speaker, because it is really hard to show and read the speaker without the sound. So you can clearly see the vibration on the top of speaker for the woofer. The sound is very like the wide surround sound, so it looks like it's widening. I think the good thing will be to connect two of these speakers to have a really good surround sound. I think this is also good for small rooms and everything, so you can see the vibration on those beats. So overall I have good experience for this speaker for now. The charging looks good, lightweight, and the sound is good based on the size of the speaker.